If you're in the tech world, you've almost certainly heard people talk about cloud certifications, but there's one that consistently comes up as a major career booster, especially when it comes to salary: the AWS Certified Solutions Architect. It sounds impressive, but what does it actually mean to have one?
It's a great question because it's so much more than just a line on a resume. This certification is a signal to the entire industry that you don't just know about AWS, but you know how to build real effective systems on it.
Let's dive into that. We're talking about the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, specifically the SAA-C03 exam. This is a highly sought-after certification that validates your skills in designing and deploying robust systems on Amazon Web Services, covering cost-effectiveness, fault tolerance, and scalability. It's consistently ranked among the top highest-paying IT certifications and equips professionals with practical, in-demand abilities for roles like solutions architect.
Exactly, Olivia. For anyone looking to build a career in cloud computing, this certification isn't just about passing a test. It's about acquiring the real-world skills that employers are actively looking for. It's a direct pathway to proving your competence in the world's leading public cloud platform.
So, we know what the SAA-C03 exam is and why it's a significant credential. Now, let's explore who exactly an AWS Solutions Architect is and what their core responsibilities entail. Daniel, who exactly is an AWS Solutions Architect? And what are their primary duties when working with AWS?
Essentially, they're the strategists and designers of the cloud. They take an organization's needs, be it for a new application or migrating an existing one, and map out the most efficient, secure, and cost-effective way to build it using AWS services. It's about bridging the gap between business goals and technical implementation in the cloud.
That gives us a clear picture of the role. Now, let's get into the specifics of the SAA-C03 exam itself. What does the exam overview look like? Let's break down the SAA-C03 exam structure. It's a 130-minute exam with 65 questions, a mix of multiple choice and multiple response, and you need a score of 720 to pass. The content is heavily weighted towards 4 main domains: designing secure architectures at 30%, resilient architectures at 26%, high-performing architectures at 24%, and cost-optimized architectures at 20%.
What's crucial to note here is the distribution of these domains. Almost half the exam, 56%, is focused on the foundational aspects of security and resilience. This tells us AWS places immense importance on building stable and secure cloud foundations before optimizing for performance or cost.
Daniel, looking at these domains, especially the combined weight of security and resilience, what's the key takeaway for someone preparing for this exam? What's the so what here?
The so what is that you can't just focus on making things fast or cheap. AWS is emphasizing a security-first and resilience-first approach. Candidates need to demonstrate a deep understanding of how to build robust, secure systems from the ground up. If your architecture isn't secure or resilient, optimizing performance or cost becomes secondary or even irrelevant. The exam reflects that real-world priority.
That's a critical insight. Build it secure and resilient first. Understanding these domains is key to passing. So, with that in mind, what are the actual benefits of getting this SAA-C03 certification? Finally, let's talk about the payoff. The benefits of achieving the AWS SAA-C03 certification are substantial. It directly opens doors for career advancement into roles like solutions architect or cloud architect, provides global industry recognition, and typically leads to higher salaries compared to non-certified professionals. Beyond that, it genuinely validates your skills and deepens your understanding of cloud concepts and best practices.
It's a powerful combination. You gain tangible proof of your expertise, which employers value highly, and it fundamentally equips you with the knowledge to solve complex cloud problems, which is what drives innovation and career growth in this field. It's an investment in both your current role and your future potential.
Absolutely. A certification that boosts your resume, your skills, and your earning potential. That covers the essentials of the AWS SAA-C03 exam.
Exactly. So, to sum it all up, The SAA-C03 is a hugely valuable certification for anyone serious about a cloud career. It prepares you for the role of a solutions architect who designs scalable, secure, and cost-effective cloud solutions. The exam itself is 65 questions, with a major focus over half on designing for security and resilience. Ultimately, getting certified boosts your career, your salary potential, and your real-world cloud skills.